Today, we're upgrading our keychain game with 2 silver pocket knives. They come shipped to your door sharpened and ready to cut through most annoying situations. Inside the box, we have 2 pocket knife keychains. As soon as you open it up, you'll notice the locking clasp, which of course will prevent it from closing unexpectedly. To close it up, just push the clasp over and the blade can be easily pushed back in. I stored one of the knives away as backup and hooked the other one onto my car keys for easy access. They cut through paper like butter and were even sharp enough to slice through cardboard with minimal effort. And even with the added pressure, the locking clasp holds strong, keeping your hands safe. They're about 4 inches long in the open blade position and super compact, so they're ideal for traveling with or just keeping in your car to open snacks while you're on the road. And they'd be an even nicer addition to have on you for hikes or camping trips. We also really like the sleek silver color and textured surface of these pocket knives. So whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or just someone who likes to be prepared, these knives will have you saying, "Dude, that's awesome." Please use the affiliate link in the description if you'd like to get one for yourself. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Until next time, I'm gonna go see what else these knives can cut through. Later.